Hi friends, this is Rajiv, Chief Trainer, Artha Institute of Management. Artha Institute of Management is a dedicated company secretary coaching center based in Palakkad, Kerala. We do have classes for CS Executive Entrance Test, CS Executive and CS Professional. CS Executive Entrance Test, we have online classes which are already running. CS Executive, the 2020 batch will start in the month of September. This is purely an offline teaching mode. And for professional, CS Professional, we have online classes. When we look onto the topic of today's video is all about whatever you want to know about this course, the course called Company Secretary. Long back when I started my career or my study as a company secretary or study for the course of company secretary in 1994, there were no persons who can advise me about this course. So after a long journey of working with different multinationals, when I thought of settling down at my place, I was just thinking about the course and awareness what the market have or the society have about this course. To my surprise, I found that this course is still unknown to many people. None of the career planners or career guidance people, they never recommend this course because they say that this is one of the toughest course in the market. Surprised me, because to become successful, you need to overcome tough patches in your life. So if company secretary is the toughest course, people should do that. Everybody is running for easiest achievements. Company secretary is such a course which can take, if you successfully complete this course, it can take you into the boardroom of a company. In the hierarchy of corporate ladder, company secretary sits next to the board of directors, that's next to managing director. A company secretary is a person who is acting as an advisor to the board of directors or to the management of the company, top management of the company, with regard to legal compliances. That is why he has been called as a compliance officer of a company. In today's world, you have a lot of degrees you can take much easier, but those degrees will not take you into the senior positions. It will take years together, a lot of experience, a lot of performance we need to perform, achieve to reach the higher goals. But a company secretary, when you just successfully complete this course, you are directly going to the top management of a company. And the Companies Act 2013 already made it compulsory that a company which have a paid up share capital of more than 10 crores should appoint a whole-time company secretary. And UGC guidelines 2010 clearly says that for the appointment of positions like assistant professor to HOD in a management college, a company secretary course is one of the basic qualification you can teach. And a company secretary can practice in legal matters, compliance matters. Individual practice also is possible, or group practice also is possible. Why this course is still underrated is only because the awareness of the course in the market is very less or very little. So in this video, for the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'm trying to explain you the basic things about this course. From when you can start, how you can study, what are the levels, what are the training requirements, all about company secretary course. Company secretary course can be started just after +2. There is no need for a student to be a graduate to start company secretary course. The first myth is bust. That means there is no compulsory requirement of becoming graduate to start this course. You can start just after +2. Any +2 stream other than fine arts, they can directly start after +2. The first level of company secretary course is CS Executive Entrance Test. This is an all India entrance test which will be conducted 4 times in a year. And anybody after +2, that means after +2 means even if a student who is writing the examinations with his hall ticket, +2 hall ticket, he can start studying. He can appear for the entrance. There is no exemption provided other than for fully qualified chartered accountants and cost accountants. If they are ready to pay 5,000 rupees for an exemption, they can get exemption. Other than that, nobody will get exemption from the entrance test. So it is compulsory for all. First, you need to crack it. Entrance test is a 2 hours, 15 minutes online examination, 2 hours multiple choice questions, and 15 minutes Viva examination. You need to crack this first. If you crack this entrance test, you can register for executive. After passing the entrance test within 1 year, you should start your entrance executive coaching, executive classes. That means you should register for executive. Executive level is a real foundation level, the real foundation level. That means, see, a big building is constructed on a good foundation, right? A big company secretary is being made with a lot of foundation, the good foundation what we are going to create in the executive level. So the executive level is one of the important level to become a company secretary. In executive level, you will find 2 modules with 8 papers. That means total 8 papers in 2 modules. There are 5 pure law papers and 3 semi-problematic papers. In a year, there are 2 examinations for executive. That is, in December and June, you can write executive level examinations. You can write either module wise or in one shot. Artha Institute of Management have classes for all the modules, specialized classes for all the modules here. Even outside students can come and stay here and learn. And after passing the executive level, after cracking this level of executive, that is 8 papers, what you need to do is you have to start your training. Institute has made training compulsory to become a company secretary. The process of getting completion of training is like this. After executive, you will be having 1 month executive development program, 15 days online and 15 days offline. So after completion of this executive development program, you need to start your 21 months compulsory practical training. 21 months. This 21 months training can be done under a practicing company secretary or with a company which is registered with the institute, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. So you can do your training either with a practicing company secretary or with a company. The only difference what you can feel is like when you are training under a practicing company secretary, the emoluments will be comparatively less. And when you are in a company, it will be little higher. But your experience with a practicing company secretary will be more diversified. But in a company, that company's experience will be getting. So after completion of this 21 months training, there is 1 more month of corporate leadership development program. One of the main advantage of company secretary course is there is no requirement of completion of training to study your professional level, that is a final level. The institute made it clear that a student who is undergoing training can also simultaneously appear for professional examination, study and appear for the professional examinations. That means in the way in the meantime you are completing your training, you can learn, you can study, and you can appear for professional examination, and you can complete the entire course. That is the beauty of company secretary course. In professional course, there are 3 modules of 3 papers. That is total 9 paper. And 9th paper is your elective, which you will select according to your taste. And the 9th paper is an open book examination. So these 3 modules are there in the professional level. So by the time you complete your practical training, either under a practicing company secretary or with a company, you can clear your professional level also. Then after this professional level, you go for the 1 month corporate leadership development program. And after completion of that, you become a company secretary. So this is a simple way to become a company secretary. So the main question comes, so graduation is not a must. Graduation is not a must, but graduation is another feather on your cap. What you can do is, by the time you complete your course, that is, it will take minimum 3 years to complete company secretary course. By the time you complete this course, what you can do is, you can undergo a correspondence course for graduation, your graduation, better BBA or BCom. So that will be an additional qualification. We need to be smart. We need to act smart. We need to study smart to become a good professional. And a professional like company secretary is one of the most valued person in the corporate management. This course is provided by Institute of Company Secretaries of India, which is incorporated under an Act of Parliament, that is Company Secretaries Act 1980. So government, it is the only institute which is authorized to give this qualification. And our institute ICSI is already signed a lot of memorandum of understanding with different foreign countries, including China, UK, US, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, Singapore, Gulf countries, opening up more opportunities for a company secretary to work abroad. The most important thing I'm going to tell now. Over this period from 1980 to till date, the total number of company secretaries passed out from the institute is something around 50 to 60,000. Among them, around 20 to 25,000 company secretaries are active company secretaries in the market. And when you look onto the opportunities, a company secretary is a must for a company which have more than 10 crores paid up share capital. Nowadays, every small company have more than 10 crores paid up capital. So it is compulsory for them to appoint. There are a lot of opportunities. Supply is very less. And management colleges, a company secretary course is accepted as a basic qualification to apply for the post of assistant professor to HOD. And lot of opportunities for practice. And if you don't like working in India, lot of opportunities outside. The only thing, we need to take the right decision now. Because India is such a growing market and opportunities for a company secretary is growing every day. So don't do a mistake of going by the usual way of learning, simply wasting time. Act smart, be professional, get a professional graduation, professional qualification under your cap. It will take you into corporate success. Be a winner in your life. Be a winner in your life. If you have any doubts, feel free to message me on the number which is displaying on the screen, or you can put your comment in the comment box under this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel till today, subscribe today, because I will be doing a lot of videos of this genre regularly, so you'll get notification of my new videos. And moreover, if you feel this video may be helpful to somebody, please share to them. So, thank you very much. Wish you all the very best.